Welcome to today's video. Friends, in today's video we will learn about MetaForce's tactile marketing business plan. So let us first know what is cryptocurrency in this. So friends, cryptocurrency is a word made up of two words, which are crypto and currency. Crypto means secret and currency is the medium through which we can buy any item or avail any service. If we talk about blockchain, then blockchain technology is 100% safe and secure technology, which no one can hack. And if we talk about decentralized projects, then decentralized projects are those projects which have neither any admin nor any MD. These are safe projects which work on blockchain. Let's talk about its business plan, which is one of the business plans of MetaForce and anyone can start it. Friends, Tactile is the first project of MetaForce, which was earlier also called Force Classic MetaForce. If we look at the tactile matrix, you get a total of two types of slots in it. One will be the S3 slot, which will be a 100% working slot. And the other will be the S6 slot, which will be both working and non-working slots. Under S3 your joining will be recycled after completion of 3 members. In S6 your joining will be filled and you will be recycled. These same slots will continue with you in future as well, and when you move forward, you will see that there will be a total of 12 slots. Out of these, 8 slots will be of S6 and 4 slots will be of S3. In this you can check that some slots will be completed by 6 people and some slots will be completed by 3 people here. The slot which will be completed by 6 people is called ED S6 and the slot which will be completed by 3 people is called ED S3. Every 2 slots will be of S6 and every third slot will be of S3. As you see, first and second slot will be of S6 and third slot will be of S3. Level 4 and 5 slots will be of S6 and sixth slot will be of S3. This way, it will have 12 slots. Let us now talk about how beginners who have not worked in this yet can generate good profit from here. You can change your lifestyle and fulfill all your dreams. To get your wallet ready, you need to buy the DAI stablecoin from the Polygon network. And you need to keep a certain amount of Polygon token under your wallet. So that the transaction fee can be paid, you have to operate MetaForce system in mobile, a dub browser named Token Pocket which you can download from Google Play Store. You can install it, and you can start by creating your account, or you can also use MetaMask in it. Now you have to understand how to work under S3 and S6 matrix. So in this S6 which works into by 2 metric, in which there are 6 joinings here, and your 1 cycle is completed in this, but from where will these people come? They will come by working of your downline, by working of your cross line, by working of your upline. In this you will get spillover people and you will get the benefit of working and non-working in it. But it depends on which upline you have started with. Talking about S3 slot, in this, S3 slot is filled by your working, and in this S6 the income of your 2 members goes to your upline. You get income from 3 to 5 members, and you get rebirth from 6 members. And the amount of these 6 members goes to your upline. Let's say the same thing. In S3 if 2 members come, you get income, and if 3 members come, you get recycled. Let's say the same thing. In S3 when 2 members come, you get income, and with 3 members, your recycling is done, and the income goes to your immediate upline. In Tactile you can see that 8 slots are of S6 and 4 slots are of S3 and there are total 12 slots in it. You get $5 at the first level, and if you want, you can start with a single slot, and if you want, you can buy more than 1 slot in it, and you can start your business. Like some people start with 3 slots in it, some people start with 5 slots, some people start with 6 slots, and some people start with 12 slots in it. And if you start with 3 slots in it, then you have to pay around 3,500 rupees. And in this you will get income from 2 S6 and 1 S3 slot. You will get a $5 slot and a $10 slot for the S6 and you will get a $20 slot for the S3. 1 cycle of S6 is completed with 6 members in your down, and in S3 it gets completed when 3 people join. In S6 the payment from the first 2 members goes to your upline, and you get 100% income from the third slot. And then the payment from the first two members from the second slot will also go to your upline, and you will get 100% income from the third slot. From the third level, you will get payment for 2 members, and the amount of slot 3 will go for recycling, which will go to your upline. You will get 100% income of 4th and 5th, and your recycling will be done from 6th member, so that the income goes to your subline. And in S6, 3 payments go to your subline and 3 payments go to you. Similarly, in S3, 1 payment is paid to your subline and 2 payments go to you. On completion of this total cycle, you get $15 from slot 1, $30 from slot 2, and you get recycled twice from slot 3. In this you get $80 and you get a total of $125. If you start business with 4 slots, then 6 members of the 4th slot come under you, and as soon as your cycle is completed, you get an income of $245. And if you start business with 5, then you get an income of $485 from the 5th slot. If you start with 6 slots in this, then you get an income of $1,125. The bigger your slot is, the bigger is the payment you get. Because in this the system distributes 100% payment among the people of the network and gives it to you. Friends, you know that Tactile Matrix has an option of auto upgrade. If you buy 12 slots together in it, then you do not get the option of upgrade. Whichever slot you get income from, you will get it 100%. And otherwise you have the option of auto upgrade in it. If you keep it on, then your next slot gets auto upgraded. From your S6 slot, your next slot gets auto upgraded with the money of 4th and 6th joining, and in S3 your next slot gets auto upgraded with the income you get from the 1st and 2nd member. This auto upgrade process is applicable on every slot, and you get unlimited times income in it, and you will keep getting income again and again. A slot gets upgraded once, so you get income in it. And if you keep auto upgrade off, then at your highest level, like if you are at level 5, then you will get 75% of its payment, which will be for auto upgrade, and the remaining payment of 25% will go to the product fund, which will work to develop this community. So friends, this was the complete project of MetaForce Tactile, which has been made at the right time and with the help of technology. If you want to earn a good income by joining this project, then you will find the numbers of senior leaders under the description. Thank you for watching these videos till the end.